Good morning 5th class children. We are doing metric measures chapter na workbook. So today also the continuation for workbook children. Open your workbook page number 30. There are some word problems children. Open your workbook. Now look children, page number 30. Solve the following word problems. Read first one. If Samuel runs 5.5 kilometers every day. How many kilometers he will run? 5.5 kilometers. How much distance would he run in 1 week? How much distance would he run in 1 week? So distance in kilometers. So in one day, how many kilometers he is running? 5.5 kilometers. So 5.5 kilometers means 5 kilometers. Half kilometer means 500 meters. So convert these into meters children. 5 kilometers means 5000 meters. Half kilometer means 500. So 5500 meters. Next they are asking for how many days? 1 week. 1 week have how many days? In 1 week. 1 week have 7 days. So 5500 into 7. Multiply here. 5500 into 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 3, 38. So 38,500. 38,500 meters. Now convert them into kilometers. So 38,000 means 38 is the kilometer and 500 is the meters. So 38 and half. 500 means half. 38 and half kilometers. Did you understand children? Here we convert kilometers into meters and we multiplied here. Okay. So 38,000's place after numbers are kilometers and before numbers are meters. 500 meters means half kilometer. 38 kilometers, half kilo. 38 and half kilometers. Okay, read the next one. A red ribbon has a length of 2 meters 40 centimeters. A red ribbon has a length of 2 meters 40 centimeters. A blue ribbon is 3 times longer. So red ribbon length has 2 meters 40 centimeters and a blue ribbon has the length of 3 times of the red ribbon. 3 times means you have to multiply with 3. What is the length of the red and the blue ribbons together? So first write the length of red ribbon. Length of a red ribbon. How much? 2 meters 40 centimeters. Next, length of a blue ribbon. How you will find? So 2 meters 40 centimeters into 3. So convert these 2 meters 40 centimeters like total centimeters. 2 meters means how many centimeters? 200 centimeters. 200 centimeters plus 40 centimeters, 240 centimeters into 3. So multiply with 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fours are 12. 1 is carry forward. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1, 720 centimeters. So 720 centimeters, convert them into meters. 7 meters 20 centimeters. So up to here problem is completed. No, they are asking what is the total length of the red ribbon and the blue ribbon. Total length. A red ribbon, blue ribbon, total length they are asking. So what is the length of the red ribbon? 2 meters 40 centimeters. And what is the length of the blue ribbon? 7 meters 20 centimeters. Now find out the total. Total means addition. So 40 plus 20, 60 centimeters. 7 plus 2 or 2 plus 7, 9 meters. So the length of the red and the blue ribbons is 9 meters 60 centimeters. Now come to the next two problems. Mohan has travelled a total distance of 15 kilometers 250 meters. And he travelled 10 kilometers 360 meters by bus and the rest on an auto. So this is the total distance he travelled, and this is the distance he travelled by bus, and they are asking to find out the distance travelled by auto. So if you subtract 10 kilometers 360 meters from 15 kilometers 250 meters, then you will get the answer. So distance travelled. Distance travelled. So total 15 kilometers 250 meters. Convert them like total in meters. 15 kilometers means 15,250 meters. Next, by auto. No, by bus. They are given 10 kilometers 360 meters by bus. By bus. How many kilometers? 10 kilometers 360 meters. This number also convert into meters. So 10,360 meters. And they are asking the rest on an auto. Find the distance travelled by auto. By auto. Subtract these two numbers, then you will get answer. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 6, not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1, 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6, how much? Count 6 after up to 15. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 9. So look here children. 11 minus 3, 8. 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write 0. 4,890 meters. Convert into kilometers. 4 kilometers 890 meters. Distance travelled by auto is 4 kilometers 890 meters. Okay, read the next one children. A shopkeeper bought 680 meters 479 centimeters of cloth. He found that 292 meters 409 centimeters of cloth was damaged. What length of the cloth is in good condition? If you subtract this number from this number, then you will get answer. Okay children, so write the steps. Total cloth, length of total cloth, (680 meters 479 centimeters). Next, length of damaged cloth, length of damaged cloth, how much? 292 meters 409 centimeters. Then what you have to find here? Length of good cloth. So subtract here children. 9 minus 9, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. These are centimeters. Next, 0 minus 2, not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 9, not possible. Again get borrow. 6 becomes 5. 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9, count 9 after up to 17. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 17. How much? 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9, how much? 8. Now 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. So 388 meters, 70 centimeters of centimeters length of cloth is good. 388 meters, 70 centimeters cloth is in good condition. Okay, come to the next page. The length of 4 rivers in India are as follows. Look here, river length in kilometers. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Narmada. 4 rivers are given and their lengths 2900, 2510, 1450, 1290. And they are asking questions here. Write the names of the rivers in ascending order of their lengths. So write the numbers in ascending order first. What is the mean for ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. So which is the smallest one here? Narmada. This will come first. After Godavari. After Ganga. After Brahmaputra. So how you will find? Because of their lengths. So compare the lengths and write. Okay. So 1290 is the smaller one. Next 1450. Next 2510. Next 2900. Hope you understand children. So write the names. Narmada. Godavari. Ganga. Brahmaputra. And next one. How much longer is river Ganga than river Godavari? So how much length is more than Godavari? Ganga is more than Godavari. Subtract these two numbers, then you will get answer. So subtract here children. 0 minus 0, 0. So write the numbers here and subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 5, not possible. Get borrow. 5 becomes 4, 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5, count 5 after up to 11, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 5, how much? 6. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1060 kilometers. Next one. Which river is longer? Godavari or Narmada? Look, Godavari length 1450. Narmada length of the river 1290. Which one is longer? Godavari. Next, Mount Everest is 29,028 feet high. Mount Kilimanjaro is 19,340 feet high. By how many feet is Mount Everest taller than Kilimanjaro? So they given the height of the Mount Everest and Mount Kilimanjaro and they are asking the difference between them. Okay? Write the steps. Height in feet they are given. So height for Mount Everest. How much? 29,028 feet. For Mount Kilimanjaro. How much? 19,340 feet. So the difference between them. Subtract. 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 4, not possible. Get borrow. Next place have 0. Go to the next place and get borrow. 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. Now we are borrowing this place to here. So 10 becomes 9. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4. Count 4 after up to 12. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 8. Next 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 9, not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1, 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9. In 18 there are 2 9s. So we are subtracting 1 9. How many are remaining? 9. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write 0. So 9,688 feet. The difference between those two mountains. Okay. Write the step. So Mount Everest is 9,688 feet taller than Kilimanjaro. Next, read the next sum, children. A rabbit covers 1 meter 85 centimeters one hop. How many hops should it make to cover a distance of 1 kilometer 110 meters? Look here, a rabbit covers in one hop. Hop means jumping. So, if he covers in one hop, how many? 1 meter 85 centimeters length. How much length? 1 meter 85 centimeters length. And they are given the some distance. 1 kilometer 110 meters distance. And asking if he covered 1 kilometer 110 meters, how many hops should make it to reach this distance? So here they are given one and asking many, children. So in one hop, how much distance he is covering? 1 meter 85 centimeters. Convert totally in centimeters. 185 centimeters. And he covered a distance of how much length? Total distance. One kilometer 110 meters. So this one also convert into centimeters, children. First convert into meters. 1110 meters. 1110 meters convert into centimeters. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 1110 meters, convert into centimeters, means multiply with 100. So if you add 2 zeros here, then you will get centimeters. 1110 meters is converted into like this, children. 1,11,000 centimeters. If you divide this number with this number, then you will get the answer. So 1,11,000 centimeters divided by 185. So multiply here 185 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 3, 51. 6 5s, 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So 185 6 are 1110. Subtract 0. So there are some digits to divide. Write it down. 0. 0 in 125. 0 times 0. Subtract 0. There is another place. 0. 185 zeros are 0. So 600 times a rabbit will hop. Then it will reach 1 kilometer 110 meters. Okay children. Hope you understand. Okay, the remaining pages we will continue in the next video, children.